Maheera, have you ever thought about how important trees are to us?
Yes, Fizza. Trees give us fresh air, shade, and even fruits. But did you know they also protect our environment?
Absolutely. Let me tell you a little story about a boy named Ali who learned why planting trees is so important. Ali lived in a village where the land was dry and the summers were very hot. There were barely any trees around.
One day, his grandmother told him a secret: Ollie, if you plant a tree and take care of it, it will become your best friend.
So, Ali planted a small tree outside his home. Every day, he watered it and protected it from animals.
At first, nothing seemed to happen. But slowly, the little plant grew taller and stronger.
As the tree grew, it provided shade for his family, a home for birds, and even cooled the air around his house.
Soon, Ollie's neighbors also started planting trees, and the village became green and beautiful.
See, Maheera? Just one small act of planting a tree can make a big difference.
Yes, and it also helps fight climate change by cleaning the air and preventing soil erosion.
That's right. So, let's encourage everyone to plant more trees and take care of our planet.
Because every tree we plant today is a gift for the future.
Let's plant more
trees
trees
and make the world greener and healthier.